is the N letter, N. Okay, that's the name of the letter, the name is N. Okay, so this is a capital N and a lowercase n. Okay, and the sound this letter makes is the N sound, N, 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 N. Okay, your lips are kind of apart like this, and your tongue is touching the back of your teeth. N, N. Okay, so let's put this sound into some words then. Okay, our first word is nest. Okay, N-E-S-T, nest, N-E-S-T, nest. Okay, the bird is in the nest. Could be a sentence. Nest, N-E-S-T, nest. And we have two adjacent consonants here, S and T. And we want to blend them quickly because they're adjacent. They're next to each other, so it's st, st, nest, nest. Okay, going on to our next word, which is night. Okay, night. N-I-T, night. N-I-T, night. It is night time. You could say night, night. Okay, so how many letters do we have here? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. How many sounds? N-I-T. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 sounds. Because we've got a trigraph here. Remember, a trigraph is when 3 letters make 1 sound. So the I, G, and H make the I sound in words. Okay, night. Next one we have is what we're doing right now actually, which is phonics. Okay, phonics. O, N, I, K, S. Phonics. O, N, I, K, S. Phonics. We've got that N sound here. O, N, I, K, S. Phonics. We are doing phonics now to help us with our speaking. Okay, so we've got the P and H together, make the F sounds. That's the F digraph here. Phonics. Phonics. Okay, super. So let's go through all of these again. Make sure you're saying them with me at home so you can practice. Okay. Nest. 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 Night. 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 And phonics. 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 Okay, so watching today, please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.